Let's take a look at finding a 5 number summary from data using Excel version 16. Now remember, our 5 number summary consists of our min, our Q1, Q2, which is also our median, our Q3, and our max. So I'm going to click here, and if I click the FX here, then choose statistical if it's not already chose, and here's min. So double click that. It wants us the range of data, so I'm going to click on A1, hold down my left mouse button, and drag down to A11. Or I could simply type A1 colon A11. Click OK, and that returns our min. Now Q1, I'm going to click my FX. I'm already under statistical, so go down to the Q's. And I want to choose quartile inclusive. Click OK. For our array, I'm going to click A1 and drag down to A11. Or again, type A1 colon A11. And I want our first quartile, so I put a 1 in here. Click OK. For our second quartile, click here, click the FX. I want to go down to the Q's. Here's quartile inclusive. Click A1 to A11 for our range, and we'll put 2 in for our second quartile. Click OK. For our third quartile, we click the FX and go down to the quartile inclusive. Click OK. And again, for our data, we're going to go A1 to A11. And for our third quartile, we put 3 in. And click OK. And then our max, again, we'll go to FX, scroll down to the M's, assuming there's a max in there. There's max. OK, and then click A1 to A11 and click OK. And that would be our 5 number summary using Excel version 16.